Managing, supervising, and leading provides the tools for you to empower your team, further develop your leadership skills, and become a more effective leader. If you are looking for a leadership cheat sheet that will provide a solid overview of proven leadership skills, then this is the course for you. This course is for leaders, managers, executives, and business owners in mind that may be looking to engage, align, and empower their team, use accountability to increase team morale, and become the person people want to follow. Handling difficult conversations, dealing with bad behavior, and taking a coaching approach to managing are just a few of the topics covered in this course. If you have led teams before, are currently leading a team, or just want to brush up on your leadership skills, this course will be a welcome refresher. Visit training.arringtoncoaching.com and enroll in Managing, Supervising, and Leading today.